I want to give you a peek inside the Fold and Go Folio. This is the Night Owl print from Tula Pink's MoonGarden in the sewing version. You can see storage for spools and scissors, also drawstring bags. The pattern also offers a jewelry version with bands for necklaces. The needle keep is used to secure earrings. Keep in mind there are two sizes in the pattern. This is the smaller size. This line is perfect for fussy cutting Tula's amazing art. The Night Owl is one of my favorites, but I also love the Kabloom print. And now for a look inside the small Fold and Go Folio version. Again, the needle keep for earrings or needles, and the drawstring bag could hold your thimble, thread, or buttons. Again, what gorgeous prints from Tula Pink. This is the Dawn colorway in the Kabloom.